Lose versus lose. This set of words is often confused in English. Let's take a closer look. Lose is a verb and means to fail to keep, to fail to win, to fail to make money. Let's look at an example for each. To fail to keep, I will lose weight but also my hair. To fail to win, I'm expected to lose this game. To fail to make money, I will lose a fortune. Loose, on the other hand, is an adjective and means not tight or free from constraint. For example, these trousers are loose. I'm sure the difference is clear now. That's it for today. See you next time.